Here's how you can make an Uber Eats driver account. Open the Uber Eats app and tap Account at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find Earn by driving or delivering, then select it. You'll see several options for earning with Uber. These include rides and deliveries with a car, rides only, commercial driving, car deliveries, scooter deliveries, bicycle deliveries, and deliveries on foot. Choose the option that works for you. For example, if you want to deliver with a car, select Delivery with a Car and tap Continue. Uber will then ask you to complete some verifications, including a background check. You'll need to agree to the requirements and provide your social security number. This information is used to process payments and run the required background check. After submitting your information, Uber will review your application. If you're approved, you'll be able to continue with the registration process and complete any remaining requirements. Once you've completed all the required steps and your application is approved, you can start using your Uber account to make deliveries. That's all for this video. Thanks.